I'm Skylar. If you want to restore your new iPhone from a backup of your old iPhone, follow along with me for a moment and let's check to see the status for your backups. On your old iPhone, tap Settings and go to iCloud. If you're signed in with your iCloud account, scroll down to the bottom and tap Storage and Backup. Scroll down a little bit more and look here. If it says iCloud Backup On, then check down here. It'll tell you the date of your last backup. So let's wait for it to load a moment, and looks like my last backup was 4/10/13. Now it's the 18th today. So I would want to back up my phone today before signing in on my new phone and restoring from my iCloud backup on those first, I think it's on the third screen or fourth screen of setting up the new iPhone. You see, set up his new phone, restore from iTunes backup, or restore from iCloud backup. So if I tapped restore from iCloud backup, I'd see a backup from the 10th, which is a little bit too old for me. So on my old phone, I'd want to tap backup now, and it estimates the time remaining and sends all that information up to iCloud. Then if I selected the restore from iCloud backup option on my new phone, all that stuff would be downloaded and I would be in business. Now, if you don't use iCloud and you don't have a backup there, you'll want to connect it to your computer, and hopefully you were at least somewhat regular about connecting your old iPhone to your computer, so you've got a recent backup. But what you want to do is the same process with your phone right now. So take your old phone, connect it to your computer, and go to iTunes. Now I'm going to click iPhone up here in the upper right, and I'm going to make sure that the old phone is backing up to this computer, and if it is, I'm going to click Backup Now. It'll make a backup of everything that's currently on the old iPhone. Then when I plug in my new iPhone, it'll ask if I want to set up as a new iPhone or restore from a backup. If I want to restore from a backup, I click the menu item, Restore from Backup, and then I select which backup I want to use, and I click Restore. Simple as that. I'm Skylar. Thanks for watching.